Quality can be defined in many ways. At Cryos International, when it comes to medical history and risk factors, we only accept top qualified sperm donors. Only healthy young men with excellent sperm qualities are accepted into the donor program. When assessing the quality of sperm, we measure the concentration of the sperm and the motility. Motility is the sperm's ability to move or swim. When assessing the motility, we measure it after thawing in order to know what to expect when the sperm is thawed. When ordering a certain quality, you look for the MOT level. MOT is short for motility. For example, if you order an MOT of 20, you can be sure that there are at least 20 million motile sperm cells per milliliter in the sample after thawing. Cryos uses 0.5 milliliter straws, so an MOT 20 straw would have at least 10 million sperm. When inseminated, it's the concentration per milliliter that's important and not the total number of sperm. IUI is short for intrauterine insemination, which is insemination directly into the uterine cavity, and it is always done at a clinic with the use of a catheter. This process helps the sperm to get closer to the egg, thus increasing the possibility of conception. The IUI-ready straws from Cryos consist of highly motile sperm, which have been purified in order to separate the sperm from the seminal fluid. ICI is short for intracervical insemination, and it is insemination into the vagina or at the entrance of the cervical canal. An ICI straw is raw, unwashed semen with the addition of cryoprotectant. ICI can be purified if needed for IUI treatment at a clinic. When ICI and IUI-ready straws have been processed, they are instantly frozen and stored in liquid nitrogen at -196 degrees Celsius or -320 degrees Fahrenheit. Sperm can be stored in liquid nitrogen for hundreds of years, since all biologic activity has ceased at that temperature that low. When deciding on the shipping method, you must consider what is most suited for you. The shipping method depends on factors such as how precise you can predict your ovulation date, how long you need to store the sperm before use, and which day of the week shipping takes place. Sperm can be shipped in a box with dry ice or in a nitrogen tank. Dry ice is the less expensive option, but will only keep samples cold for a few days. A nitrogen tank is a better option if you need to ship and store the sperm, as it will keep samples cold for 7 to 12 days depending on tank size. Cryos International strives to deliver high-quality sperm, meeting your personal requirement for fertility treatment, and to help childless make their dreams come true.